In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Buycycle promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Buycycle promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Cycling News. And as you can see right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you have a list with a lot of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts for buying a bicycle. And as you can see, there are different providers right here. So all you need to do is just search for the bicycle provider, and after that, let's say you just find out a promotion that you want to use. So let's say you want to get this one, and all you need to do is just select the get discount button. And after that, as you can see, there is no code required, and you can simply select the button to go to the website and receive the promotion and the discount. Also, if you scroll down a little bit right here, you'll find this website which is called Compared. And right here, as you can see, we have some promo codes as well, and you can use this one to get some discounts and some benefits. So, for example, if you want to get this 30% discount right here, all you need to do is select this button where it says Get Code. And this is the promo code right here. All you need to do is just simply copy the promo code from this red button, and you can apply this one on your checkout so that you can get a 30% discount of your next order. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.